What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today the new RTX wheels are going on the truck. I can't wait to have them installed. Before we head to the shop however, I'm going to go ahead and remove these center caps here just to make it easier on the shop to get the lugs on and off and it won't risk damaging these. If anyone is interested in these wheels, send me a message on Instagram. Out of all these boxes here, you guys will see the installs coming soon. Actually, we're working on this box today after the wheels. And what else? Those boxes are empty for these wheels to hopefully ship them out. Or, you know, the stock ones once I put them on. Thanks for holding the door, cameraman.
I gotcha.
But yeah, the truck is getting a good transformation today, isn't it?
It's getting
new
quite
wheels, new...
Can't say that, yep.
And, it's gonna look really good.
Oh yeah. You want to hand that to me? On. Does this say 17 inch? Wait. Huh.
What's wrong?
These are 17. I mean, the box says 17.
How did that happen?
I don't know. What are yours, 18 by 9?
18 by 9.
I could have sworn when you first unboxed them they said 18.
Yeah.
Should we hold them up, I guess?
I thought it showed on... It talked about the... there was a sticker for the thread pattern, but I also thought it said...
No, don't say anything over there.
18 by 9.
Here, let's hold it up against it.
Well, we'll have to cancel our appointment.
They're 17.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Well, that's a pretty big mistake on my part.
Yeah.
I could have sworn they were 18 by 9. Alright, well, change of plans for today. We are not getting the new wheels put on the truck. That's a little disappointing. I may have accidentally ordered the wrong size.
Yeah.
I don't know how that... Okay. Well, yeah, okay, new game plan. These wheels and tires are now for sale. If anyone would like... These are RTX wheels. I just took the center caps off as you saw. They're 18 by 9 plus 10 offset. And the tires are 33, 12.5, obviously 18. And I've had zero rubbing up front. I know a lot of people said this was a huge tire and the offset did not work. Have had zero rubbing on the upper control arms. And if you've seen our off-road videos, they do very well. And daily driving, there's no issues. So,
hold on, so what should the plan be? Do you sell these wheels and tires as a set, or somehow return those wheels even though we already have them ceramic coated, and then get 18-inch rims, or...
Well, maybe I should try to sell this set.
Yeah.
And...
Because we've had no issues off-roading being 18s, but if we want to do harder core off-roading, 17s are better.
Yeah. So there's nothing wrong with 18s.
Yeah, these...
For whoever wants them.
Yeah. And these tires have what?
5,000 miles on them, roughly?
And they're still huge.
Yeah.
No weird rubber or wear or anything.
So, as my phone keeps going off there,
Just text.
I don't know. Yeah, if anyone is interested in these, send us a message on Instagram, and that way I can get the right tires for the 17-inch wheels.
So, what was going to be new rims now is a whole new setup.
So that's option 1. Option 2
contact RTX
is to see if I can change out the wheels for 18-inch wheels.
Well,
I know, and we just had these ceramic coated, and they look really good.
I mean, yeah, this is a sweet, aggressive. Being a 17 with a 33 on this is going to be a nice aggressive setup.
Yeah, so that's disappointing.
Yeah. Because
we were ready to go to the tire shop. We've never made a mistake like that before.
I guess let's take pictures, post on the Tacoma page, post on Instagram right now. And
yeah.
if this is sitting on jack stands for a week, like if you have to sell this and have new tires come in.
Yeah.
My tires came in 2 days, so
yeah,
you can get tires quickly, and you can drive this.
Well, now the only thing is, we don't have a vehicle to get tires to the tire shop if the truck's on jack stands.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
So wait, we'll have to bring the rims, which the rims will fit in my car, but then the tire's back.
The tires barely fit in the bed of the truck.
Yeah, he'll have to use his truck and bring it over. Well, that's going to be a completely different video than we planned for new wheels.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess we got to put the center caps back on.
And clean them.
Clean them, get some pictures.
And hopefully sell them really quick.
This is the first time ever ordering parts that we,
How did that happen?
I don't know. We got the wheels all cleaned up now. They are listed for sale. I'm asking about $1,250 for them. The tires were $1,200 alone, and the wheels were about $800. Again, they are 18x9 with a +10 offset. I've had zero issues with them on the 3-inch lifted Tacoma, so I think it's a really nice setup with no rubbing or any issues like that, and they do have TPMS, so that is a huge plus. If you're interested in them, send me a message on Instagram, and yeah, I think that's it for that little mistake, I guess you could say, for today's video. So we're going to move on to the next video that we had planned, and that is getting the R8 and the 350Z out on the road for the first time together. I think I'm going to let Brian drive the R8 on the way out, and I'll drive the R8 on the way back. And then while we're driving these cars, we're going to go film another video with both of these cars, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that video. Start up after, obviously, I do, because I'm going to hear that. It's going to be very loud. All right, so cold start up in the 350Z with a cut exhaust. I mean, it actually sounds pretty good for what it is. And then we'll go ahead and get the R8 here started up. Obviously that is very, very loud. This is actually the first time that I have followed my car with the wrap on it. And you can say what you want about the wrap, but I think it looks so good. I gotta try to catch up here. It's so crazy looking. I know a lot of people don't like it, but for a budget wrap, I think it looks so good. And the car is incredibly loud. I hardly ever get to hear it from the outside. It definitely sounds really good. I'm not sure if he has the valves open or closed yet. I'm assuming they are closed right now. But yeah, cruising in the Z and the R8 for the first time. This is a fun car. The Z has been so much fun. I've only put 140 miles on it so far. I can't wait for all the projects that we have coming for this car. It's definitely gonna be a lot of fun. Give us a rev, Bri. Oh yeah. Oh, that sounds so good. It's so crazy looking. I'd like to get in front of it to see the front, but here we go. Oh, I stalled. I stalled it. Oh my gosh. The clutch in this is so much different than the R8. Oh, I can't believe. First stall in the Z. I should mention too, driving a manual and filming myself and filming the R8, I think I can have a little bit of an excuse for stalling, because that's a lot to do. So we just made it to the parents' house, and the reason that we're here is because we need Maddie for the video that we're doing with the 350 and the R8. We had these on some nice back roads. We're gonna have to make another video comparing the two, driving them back to back. They're both manuals. They're both really fun cars to drive, so I'm definitely gonna have to make a video. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully I can get a solution to the problem with the Tacoma, the wheels and tires. I'm working on that now, and we'll see what the best way to go about doing that is. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. We're gonna get started on the R8 and the 350Z, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the plans we have for today, along with some other videos that we're gonna do with the two cars. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.